Hello automotive enthusiast. Bentley Batur Convertible, a detailed overview of ultra-luxury craftsmanship and W12 power. Some cars are built to dominate racetracks. Some are engineered to chase numbers. But once in a generation, a machine appears that represents the end of an entire era. This is the Bentley Batur Convertible. And hidden beneath its endless hood sits something the automotive world may never see again. A hand-built twin-turbocharged W12 engine. 740 horsepower. 12 cylinders. Pure mechanical theater. And today, we're dissecting what could become the final internal combustion masterpiece from Bentley before electrification changes luxury forever. The moment the Batur Convertible appears, it doesn't feel like a normal production car. It feels commissioned. Every line across the body looks sculpted by hand rather than stamped by machines. The proportions are impossibly elegant. Long hood. Low roofline. Wide rear stance. This isn't just transportation. It's automotive haute couture. But then you press the starter button. And the W12 awakens. Not with violent aggression. Not with exaggerated noise. Instead, the engine delivers a deep, effortless surge of power that feels almost infinite. That's the magic of Bentley's W12 philosophy. The acceleration is brutally fast, yet completely relaxed at the same time. The torque arrives in one seamless wave, transforming this ultra-luxury grand tourer into something shockingly rapid without sacrificing refinement. And honestly, that balance is becoming increasingly rare in modern performance cars. Because the Batur isn't obsessed with feeling digital or artificial. It celebrates mechanical excellence. But the real masterpiece might be inside the cabin. Bentley didn't just build an interior here. They crafted an experience. The level of detail is almost absurd. 3D printed rose gold accents shimmer across the dashboard and controls. Hand-finished materials wrap every surface. The stitching feels more like tailored fashion than automotive manufacturing. And unlike many ultra-modern luxury cars overloaded with screens, the Batur still feels emotional and tactile. Every switch, every surface, every movement feels intentional. That's what separates true craftsmanship from mass production. But what makes this car historically important is what it represents. Because this isn't just another Bentley. It's potentially the final celebration of the internal combustion grand touring era before electrification fully takes over the ultra-luxury world. And Bentley knows it. That's why the Batur Convertible feels so unapologetically special. The Coachbuilt design. The limited production. The handcrafted details. The enormous W12.